Hi guys, hope you are fine. So this video is dedicated to navigation and action control. So let's get started. Switching between apps should be easy. Windows 10 have old version of switching method with a new flavor. You can switch between app using Alt plus Tab key. When you press Alt and Tab key, you will see the windows that are open. You can navigate through windows by pressing Tab key repeatedly. So this way you can switch between apps using Alt plus Tab key. As you can see, I have opened 3 windows. One is the Avast free antivirus, File Explorer and Google Chrome. If I want to switch between apps, for example, currently my active window is Google Chrome. Now I want to go to the Windows Explorer. So I will press Alt plus Tab key. So I can see open windows and I will press Tab key until File Explorer is focused and I will release both of the keys. So here it is. I am on the File Explorer window. So this way you can navigate through various apps. Now let's see use of Action Center. Action Center is a tool from where you can utilize your system resources. It is located here at the bottom in taskbar. Once you click on Action Center, you will see one window which will be popped up from right side. Here you can see all the notifications which are provided by the system. If you have any notifications, then this icon, Action Center icon, will be highlighted. Currently I have not any unread notification, so it is not highlighted. Now let's see one by one these options, various options provided by Action Center. First one is a tablet mode. If you want a full screen start menu, you can go into tablet mode. If your laptop have dual mode, then this option is useful. But some user prefers start menu in full screen mode, so you can utilize it by this tablet mode. So let's click on tablet mode, and as you can see, now we have a full screen start menu and we have a tablet view of Windows 10. Here are the all programs button. For more option you can click this menu button and you can go to File Explorer, settings and power option. So this is basically a tablet view. To get back to desktop view, again click on tablet mode. Second option is connect. If you want to connect other devices like Bluetooth or mobile, then this connect option is useful. So I'll be just clicking on this option. Here you can see Bluetooth is turned off, turn it on to discover more devices. So we are not going that much into this option. Another option is Note. Microsoft OneNote is tightly integrated with Windows 10. If you want to note down something or want to make to-do kind of list, then this is the wonderful app. You can use it, but currently we are not focusing on Note. We are only focusing on Action Center. So let's get back to it. You can also access all the settings which are provided by your system by clicking this all setting option. We'll be learning about all the setting in further video tutorials. So I'm just closing it. This is very nice feature. When you want to extend your screen on another screen, then this option is useful. For example, I'm clicking on this project button and here you can see 4 options are available. PC screen only, duplicate. For example, if you are giving a presentation and you want to project your screen onto the projector, then this duplicate option is helpful. If you want to extend your screen to another machine or another display, then this extend option is useful. And if you want to project second window or second screen onto different machine, then this second screen only option is available. So this is about project option. Now battery saver. Battery saver is generally used when you want to save your power and it is generally provided to only laptop users. Next option is VPN. VPN used when you want to create private network. When you want to play LAN games, then these options can be used. You can also transfer your file using VPN. So we are not going in this VPN option. For now we are just skipping it. Another option is Bluetooth. Bluetooth can be used to connect different devices. If your mobile have Bluetooth, then you can connect it with this machine and you can transfer data, you can use your cameras and do many other things with this Bluetooth option. So if you want to activate this Bluetooth option, then you have to just click on it. Currently I am switching it off. Using this option, you can control brightness of your screen. So just click on it and you can see currently my brightness is 50%. If I click on it once again, it will be changed to 75% and so on. I am putting it on 25%. This is a Wi-Fi option. If you want to turn on or turn off your Wi-Fi, then this option can be used. Here is another Wi-Fi icon. If you want to change your Wi-Fi hotspot, then this option can be used. But this is just for Wi-Fi on and off purpose. This is very great feature. It's a quiet hours. If you turn on this option, system will not disturb you between 12 am to 6 am. It won't give you any reminder, alarm or any notification. If you want to share your location, then this location option can be used. If you turn on this location option, it will provide your location pattern to Microsoft server and Microsoft will give you more localized experience. And last one is airplane mode. When you want to get disconnected from outside world and have a chill time, this option can be used. It will turn off all the Wi-Fi, all external connection and make your PC unavailable to outside world. So far, we have seen introduction to Windows 10, start menu options, navigating through apps and action center. In next video, we will see some other great features. Till then, goodbye.